Hello, my name's Cody Evans, and I'm the Crop Protection Tech Development Rep with Bayer Crop Science here in Central Illinois. And today we're at our Nortonville Weed Research Site, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about our upcoming product, TriVolt herbicide. TriVolt herbicide contains 3 different active ingredients, including the following: isoxaflutol, a group 27 herbicide, diacarbazone methyl, a group 2 herbicide, and flufenicet, a group 15 herbicide. Each one of these active ingredients helps to provide residual control of different corn, grass, and broadleaf weed species. The distinct combination of these different active ingredients allows for continued residual activity under various growing conditions throughout the year. This herbicide also may provide residual activity up to 8 weeks after application. When adding in atrazine into a tank mix with TriVolt herbicide, it will be providing 4 different active ingredients with 4 different sites of action. TriVolt herbicide also provides burn down activity and can be applied from burn down at planting, and then also into post through V2 corn. This herbicide will help provide control of different weed species, including the following: water hemp that is both glyphosate and PPO resistant, velvet leaf, and prickly sida, as well as grass species that include the following: giant foxtail, green foxtail, fall panicum, and barnyard grass as well. And TriVolt will provide foliar activity on key grass and broadleaf weed species and burn down in front of corn planting. TriVolt herbicide can help control this wide spectrum of different weed species under varying growing conditions throughout the year. For example, isoxaflutol under drier conditions can reactivate with as little as a ½ an inch of rainfall to provide residual activity. Under wetter conditions, flufenicet's lower water solubility can help maintain the formulation's activity on different grass species such as fall panicum later into the season. What we're looking at is TriVolt in comparison with different rates of competitors as well as different rates of TriVolt itself. This trial was planted on April 27th, and then we made the pre-applications on April 29th. So today is June 22nd of 2021. And so we're about 54 days out. And so we get to go through and look at what that control looks like. And we had also received about 5.3 inches of rain from April 29th to now. Majority of that rainfall had occurred in May and kind of shut off in June. So we're seeing some very differing growing conditions throughout the season. So now we'll go and take a look at these plots. Here in plot 101, we have our untreated plot to show a little bit of the grass pressure and broadleaf weed species pressure that we have at the site. We've got glyphosate and PPO resistant water hemp, velvet leaf, morning glory, prickly sida, and some other broadleaf species, as well as a healthy grass population consisting of barnyard grass, giant foxtail, green foxtail, fall panicum, as well as large crabgrass. Here we're at plot 108, where we have a treatment of 20 fluid ounces of TriVolt with a tank mix of a pound of atrazine. So we get the 4 different active ingredients, the 4 different sites of action, and we're still seeing that control of our different broadleaf species and that wide spectrum of different grass species present in this trial. Here we're in plot 110, and what we're seeing is a competitive treatment at 3 quarts per acre. Still control for most of the plot, but we are starting to see those sporadic grass species starting to pop through. So now we're in plot 111, looking at a competitive treatment at 3 quarts per acre with a added pound of atrazine. What we're seeing is heavy grass pressure starting to push up through that treatment, and the species include giant foxtail. We're also seeing some fall panicum and large crabgrass come up in this plot as well. Thank you for stopping by and allowing us to talk to you about our upcoming product, TriVolt herbicide.